BRS. So this is for class 10. Again, from one more solution from BRS, that is bank reconciliation statement, and question will be attached at the beginning of the video. So you all note down this question and solve by own also, so to clear the view. So this is also on the overdraft of cash book. The last video also is done on the overdraft, the last two videos. So this one is also on overdraft balance. Okay, so here the question is, prepare a bank reconciliation statement, bank overdraft as per cash book on August 30, 2010, and the amount is rupees 2000. So now I have to write bank reconciliation statement as on 30 August 2010. So overdraft balance, as you know, we have to write overdraft balance as a cash book, and whenever it will be overdraft, whether it is cash book or passbook, you have to write the amount on the minus column. Okay, overdraft means minus column. Okay, now the entry is check issued but not presented. So check issued but not presented, on the previous video also I shared the formula. So according to that formula, it will come in add column. So check issued but not presented, whenever it will be cash book, the entry will come in add column, that is check issued but not presented, rupees 1250. You know what the formula is, so no need to explain again. You can see my previous video to understand the formula, how to prepare the bank reconciliation statement. So now next is the bank charges of rupees 25 on account. So your bank has charged rupees 25. So bank charge rupees 25 means it will come in less column. Okay, cash book, whenever it will be cash book, whether overdraft or normal balance, it will be in minus side. The bank charges entry, it will be in minus side. So bank charges rupees 25. Okay, now the next entry is interest allowed by bank. So interest allowed, so you are getting the money, when you will be getting the money, it will be in add column. Okay, so interest allowed by bank rupees 200 on plus side. When you will write the entry in add column, it will be in plus, less it will be in minus. Always remember this. Okay, now the next is interest on investment collected by bank. So on previous you have got some investment, and on that investment the bank has collected some interest through this, which you don't know. So when you don't know but you have collected the interest, it is a profit. So if you write the cash book, this entry will come in that add side, that is interest on investment collected by bank rupees 1000. Okay, now the last entry, that is check of rupees 7000 deposited to bank but not collected. So you have deposited an amount of check which is rupees 7000, but this has not been collected yet. So when it is not collected, so it will be in less column. Check deposited but not collected. Check issue, it will be in add column. Check deposited, it will be in less column. Memorize that. Interest allowed, that means you got interest without knowing, it will be in add column, and the bank charge without informing you, this one also will be in less column. So add less, it is a game of plus and minus. So after doing the calculation, the plus side has the more value, that is the 9450, and the minus side has 2025. So when you have done deduct, we got that our balance is 7425. So you have to write balance as per passbook. Whenever you will do for the cash book, the answer will be for passbook, and if you do for passbook, your answer will be for cash book. Okay, so this is the question, and by seeing this video, it is a what to say, the BRS session is over. So from next class, for class 10, I will start a new chapter. I will inform you on through the video. So this is the last explanation from BRS. Student, if you have not understood yet, then you can mention me, or you can comment me on my WhatsApp number also, and under the video also. So this is the question, this is the last question which I have solved from the BRS. From next class we will start something new, which is called depreciation. Okay student, thank you, and if you haven't understood or if you have any doubt, then please mention me. Thank you student.